You need to change your oil. Maybe not right this very second, but you will, and checking to see if your low is simple. Locate the filler cap and dipstick always on the top of your engine. Remove the dipstick and wipe it clean. Then insert for a moment and remove again. Your dipstick will have a series of markings indicating a safe oil level. Falling near the middle of this range means you have an appropriate amount of oil for your engine. The oil in your engine serves a number of purposes, including cooling, cleaning, lubricating, and protecting from corrosion. This is just another reason we encourage you to visit us so we can use factory-suggested parts and oil during your service. We would be more than happy to handle your next oil change for you. You can book your appointment at www.acurapickering.com, or you can give us a call at 905-428-8888. You'll find us in Pickering at 575 Kingston Road. We look forward to seeing you, and as always, please drive safe.